Another day, another market.
Yay! There's no prices, that's a bad sign for us.
BBC?
You did some really good sales.
Here.
Yeah.
2 bags of tea. I think we overpaid a little bit.
We were totally tourist trapped. He was like 15, 15, only 15, and then suddenly he wanted 90 from us.
This is with aubergine.
Aubergine?
Yes, and there is one type of spinach and the feta cheese. Milky and cheesy with sweet potato. Dill and the feta cheese. Some roasted almonds. Type of a mashed apple.
So we only wanted to buy 1 or 2 pastries from here, but then there was this local guy and he said that he keeps on coming back to here because they make everything on spot, and now we're just picking more and more things and trying to taste as much as possible. This is just the way it seems to be here in Turkey, that if you go to a place where they expect tourists, then you're gonna be in trouble, then you have to hustle. If you go to a place that serves locals, you get wonderful deals, the best stuff in the world.
This is so delicious, it's ridiculous.
And we got a huge bag of pastries for €3, and we paid €8.50 for 2 little packages of tea. We got ripped off over there. But that just made up for it. Teşekkürler ederim. Teşekkürler. That is not possible. We stayed in front of that pastry shop, and they came knocking on the door and brought us 2 Turkish coffees. It has become a bit of a habit for us to help out and give back whenever we can, and we just saw a hitchhiker again on the side of the road. We're heading to Bodrum, and yeah, we can help another one out.
Joe was having an ice cream and now a dog is following him, or sort of leading the way.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. For a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head. Someone to tell me how to live instead.
It turns out that not only modern day Turkey is full of wonders, but it was also full of wonders 2000 years ago. And proof of that is that in the last 2 days it's the 2nd world wonder of the ancient world. Although it's called Halicarnassus Mausoleum, it was not made for Halicarnassus. Halicarnassus was the town it was made in. It was made for a king called Mausolus, and since then all above ground tombs are called after this guy, and they're now called mausoleums.
Moving on. I don't even care if my soul is gone. So many words that I should have said. Not concerned about how to live instead. Just so
And now the ancient town of Halicarnassus, which today is known as Bodrum.
okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. Nothing in life is good.
two little guys have a hell of a business model over there. They have scales in the middle of the street, and if you want to weigh yourself, you have to pay them. I asked Mina if she would like to do it. What was your answer?
That they have to pay me for me to step on those scales. But hey, Joe wants to know how much he weighs.
I feel like it 78 kilos. We have made it to Bodrum Bazaar, Bodrum Market, and there's so much going on everywhere, just hustle and bustle.
Beni kandıracak ya.
Well, Bodrum is definitely gorgeous. Just the flowers, white and blue houses and everything that goes along with it. But bear in mind that it's also super busy and touristic. So it is tiring and it's quite a hustle to even get around. Like for example, the street in here.
Say we just went to Bodrum. It is one of the most known cities in whole Turkey. When people ask where should they go in Turkey, others say right away you have to see Bodrum. And we are driving around on the countryside of Turkey and we are laughing, smiling. It feels so authentic. People are waving at you and it's such a beautiful experience to be over here. Whereas in Bodrum, we were overwhelmed and it wasn't real. Joe is gonna try out the chocolate bomb. Which is a chocolate bomb. How does it taste?
Like if you take a bread, only keep the crust, you hollow it out from inside and fill everything inside with Nutella. That's exactly how it tastes.